Prepare to experience unparalleled aerial photography and intelligent flight with the new S819 GPS drone. This professional-grade quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K HD aerial dual-camera system, a highly stable 3-axis gimbal, revolutionary 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, and an astonishing 6,000-meter 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission range. The S819 is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with absolute confidence. Unmatched visuals with 8K HD dual cameras and 3-axis anti-shake PTZ. The S819 truly excels in its imaging capabilities. It features an 8K HD aerial dual camera system, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The core of its superior image stability lies in the 2.7K ELS, electronic stabilization, 3-axis anti-shake PTZ, pan-tilt zoom. While the video clarity is specified at 2.7K, the 8K HD designation indicates high-resolution photo capabilities or advanced image processing for stunning clarity. This combination of mechanical stabilization and electronic image stabilization ensures your aerial footage is remarkably smooth and professional-looking, even during dynamic maneuvers. The Movie ELS camera feature further enhances video quality. Revolutionary 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance and GPS precision. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the S819's cutting-edge safety features. Its 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system provides comprehensive protection, actively detecting obstacles from all directions. This makes the drone incredibly easy to control for both beginners and experienced players, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing immense peace of mind during flight. Combined with precise GPS positioning, the drone offers crucial intelligent return functions, auto-return when over distance, lost-controlled low battery power, ensuring your drone always finds its way home. Powerful brushless motor and ultra-long distance flight. The S819 is propelled by a robust brushless motor, which provides stronger power, greater efficiency, and a longer service life compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight and enhanced responsiveness. Powered by a high-capacity 2,600 mAh battery, the drone offers an impressive 28 to 30 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended aerial explorations. The remarkable 6,000-meter flight distance and 5G repeat 6 km real-time transmission ensure you can explore vast areas and capture distant scenes while maintaining a strong, clear visual connection. The drone can reach a flight height of 500 m. Intuitive control and smart features. The S819 is designed for intuitive operation and packed with intelligent functions for a dynamic flight experience. Screen control. The remote control features a 12.5 cm built-in screen, providing a direct and convenient way to monitor your flight and view the FPV feed. One key takeoff return simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation for beginners. Suitable fly in different condition indicates adaptability to various flying environments. Brushless motor ensures powerful and long-lasting flight. GPS position provides accurate outdoor location tracking. Auto return for over distance, lost control, or low battery. 3-axis PTZ GPS aerial photography drone highlights its professional capabilities. Design and portability. Available in stylish white and blue-gray colors, the S819 is designed with a sleek appearance. While not explicitly stated as foldable, drones with these features often incorporate foldable arms for portability. Its overall design is built for stability and ease of use. The S819 GPS drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K HD camera capabilities, advanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization, extensive 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, and ultra-long 6 km transmission range. Its robust features and intelligent flight modes make it a versatile and reliable tool for capturing stunning aerial content with confidence and ease. Like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more drone reviews.